If you want to share your Tinkercad projects, there are 3 easy ways to do it, and in this video, I'll walk you through each one step by step. Whether you want to collaborate with someone in real time, send a simple view-only link, or publish your design for others to see, Tinkercad gives you flexible sharing options that are quick and easy to use. So if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about collaboration. This is the best option if you want someone else to actually work on the same 3D design with you. To do that, open the design you want to share. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top right area of the screen and find the Collaborate icon. It's the one that looks like a person with a plus sign, right next to the Send To button. Click that icon and then choose Generate New Link. Tinkercad will create a special collaboration link for your project. After that, simply copy the link and send it to the person you want to work with. Anyone who opens that link can help edit the design in real time, which makes it perfect for group projects, school assignments, or team designs. Just keep in mind that collaboration links are temporary. They expire after 336 hours, which is 14 days, for security reasons. So if the link stops working later on, you can always go back and generate a new one. That makes it easy to keep control of who has access while still working together smoothly. Now let's move on to the second way to share a Tinkercad project, which is using a public link. This is the best choice if you want to show off your design or let other people view it without directly editing your original file. You can also allow others to copy and tinker with it, depending on your privacy settings. To start, go back to your Tinkercad dashboard. The easiest way to do that is by clicking the Tinkercad logo at the top of the page. Once you're on your dashboard, hover over the design you want to share. You'll see a gear icon, which is the Properties menu. Click that gear icon and then look for the privacy setting. Change it from private to public. After that, click Save Changes to confirm your update. Once the design is public, click on it again to open the detail page. From there, you can either copy the URL from your browser's address bar or use the Copy Link option if Tinkercad provides it. Now you have a shareable public link that you can send to friends, classmates, teachers, or anyone who wants to view your work. This is a great option when you want visibility without giving away full editing access. The third method is Send To, which is useful when you want to quickly share a snapshot or export your project to another platform. While you're inside the editor, look in the top right corner and click the Send To button. This menu gives you a few fast options depending on what you need. If you want to share an image, click the download icon next to the picture of your design. That's great for presentations, posts, or sending a preview of your project. If you're a student or teacher, you may also see the Google Classroom option. Clicking that lets you turn in or assign the project directly through Classroom, which is super helpful for school workflows. And if you want to move your design into a more advanced engineering environment, you can click the Autodesk Fusion 360 icon to send the project there. That makes it easier to continue working in a professional CAD tool. So to quickly recap, if you need teamwork, use collaboration links. If you want people to view or copy your work, make the project public and share the detail page link. And if you want a fast export or classroom workflow, use Send To. Each option serves a different purpose, so choosing the right one will save you time and make sharing much easier. That's how to share Tinkercad projects in 3 simple ways. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which sharing method you use the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.